As the sun peeked over the Oregon hills, it blasted through the front windshield of the hatchback, waking us up. This place was beautiful. Josh would have spent the whole day here fishing, but sadly we had to hit the road. Our main destination was Crater Lake.
Good river. Wow, dude. We gotta stop at one of these rivers. General store. Why can't you be open? Hungry.
Josh loves to fish, and he will jump at any opportunity to get out and cast his line into a body of water. So we made stops accordingly. The problem with pulling over for random bodies of water is we never knew if we were on someone's private property.
My shoelaces aren't even tied.
So we always had to sneak around.
Because I won't be able to film. Whoa, whoa. Jesus, Josh.
Getting him out of the car, no problem. The real trick was getting him back in. I'm pretty sure he said, just one more cast, but over here this time. 40 times too many, each stop.
What was it? Did you jump so funny? I hope I got that on camera.
You gotta get creative with it. I mean, get creative with it. We just put it on the outside of the car.
2 seconds later.
Alright, we've seen it.
Dude, this is crazy shit. There's a trail on the other side, you see it? I can see, like, you can see the spot. Oh, here you go. Here, you can see the waterfall a little bit right here. Yeah, now that is beautiful. Dude, that is a gnarly trail to go down and come back. You know what's funny is I wouldn't hike this shit, but I would snowboard it. Alright, we've seen it.
There's snow on the road! Well, there's snow on the side of the road. Sorry, I'm yelling, like, it's so excited. Yeah, there's snow!
The rim of the crater stands at about 7,500 feet, which is where we needed to go. Against our better judgment, we climbed the hill in the hatchback, packed full of my things. Fun facts about Crater Lake. Crater Lake was formed when Mount Mazama collapsed inward. Mount Mazama was approximately 12,000 feet tall before the collapse. And today the highest point along the rim is Hellsman Peak at 8,151 feet. Crater Lake's elevation at its surface is 6,128 feet. Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the U.S. Crater Lake has an average depth of 1,943 feet. People come from around the world to photograph Crater Lake. We went there and rolled snowballs down the hill like we've seen in cartoons. But Crater Lake was amazing.
Yes.
Still straight up and down.
Oh, almost. Man, look at those birds down there. Just like so small.
They love it when I turn up the bass.
Boo. Yeah.
Crater Lake was breathtaking. We could have spent all day there rolling snowballs down the hill, but we had to hit the road.
Oh, we got a big flowing river right here. It's a pretty crazy terrain, huh? Warm Springs? Ooh. That's where I might have a chance of catching a fish. Warm Springs, it doesn't sound as good as a hot spring, though. Because what if warm isn't warm enough?
Yeah, and then just like...
Then you're like, dude, oh man, I'm gonna get cold when I get out of here. That GoPro looks so cool on the side of the car there.
Yeah, I wish there was one in there.
You wanna put it in? I'll stop at a river.
No, you won't. Then I'll lose an hour of my time.
Well, you gotta police me. You gotta say 10 casts, and you gotta count them. What?
You went crazy. I was like, what are you with?
I got a bite.
That's true. Alright, bye.
It was so exciting too. Ow. I fucking jumped into the air. But I was scared and excited at the same time. I was good. Third and fourth are pretty close together.
Yeah, second and third are very far apart.
Yeah. And first and second are far apart.
Yeah.
Fourth speed's cute though. It makes your car a little a little baby one, you know.
As the sun began to set, we stopped one more time to let the hatchback rest. Josh found somewhere to pee, while I was busy texting my uncle to let him know we were on our way. I snapped a quick photo before we left, and we headed towards Battleground, Washington, where we would spend the night at my uncle's house. Day 5. By the end of the trip, we were ready to get to where we were going.
Stayed at a beautiful mansion last night. Thank you for Jason's Uncle Ben. We got the RV here. Wait till you guys see the backyard. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking park. But it's starting to sprinkle a little bit right now. We're in Battleground, Washington. We'll be in Seattle a few hours after we start driving.
Oh, we got a stop coming up. Are we gonna stop? No stop! Alright!
We carried on even though the Honda was running rough, and we left Battleground, Washington and headed towards Seattle. Josh booked his plane tickets, we stopped to grab some snacks, and I took him to the airport. Unfortunately for Josh and I, our story ended here, and I headed up the road alone to go stay with my brother for a little bit. Even though we had a few tense moments, I'm really glad Josh decided to come with me. Not only was he another set of eyes on the road and my navigator, it was great catching up with him and learning new things about him. And where else would you get all this footage? Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.